If you want to create this row highlighting feature on your Excel spreadsheet, follow this simple step. Press Ctrl A to select all the rows. Make sure you are in Home tab. Click on Conditional Formatting. Click New Rule and select this rule. Use a rule to determine which cells to format. In this formula section, type this formula is equal row is equal cell. Then click on Format. Make sure you are in Field tab. Now select yellow color to highlight our rows. Click on OK. Again OK. Now right clicking on sheet name. Go to View Code. Select Worksheet. Press Enter and type target.calculate. Now close the window and that's it. If you select any of the rows, the highlight will move accordingly.